Hello and welcome. My name is Alec, and in this beginner-friendly tutorial I will show you how to create and customize your website footer in WordPress. In my previous tutorial you learned how to create your header or navigation menu. If you haven't watched that tutorial, I will leave the link in the description box so you can watch it later. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to customize your footer from this to this. To do that, I will show you step by step how to create a footer menu in WordPress, how to add pages to the menu, how to add widgets to the footer, how to customize each added widget, and how to customize footer rows. In the same way we created the header menu, we will start by making a footer menu that we will use later to customize your website footer. I will now switch to my WordPress dashboard to show you exactly how to do it. From your dashboard, go to Appearance and select Menus. When the Menus page opens, you must create a new menu by clicking this blue link. You can type any name in this box, but I will type footer. Then select the footer menu checkbox from the menu settings and click this red button to create this menu. When the menu is created, you can see this box on the left with options to add pages, posts, custom links and categories to your footer. I will click the View All tab to see the list of all my published pages. While preparing this tutorial, I created two additional pages, Privacy Policy and Terms of Service. These two pages usually belong in the footer section on almost all websites. I will select all pages, uncheck the post page, and add them to the menu. I will leave the order of the pages as it is and save the changes. Creating the footer menu is the first piece of the footer puzzle. To continue the footer customization, I will select Customize under Appearance from the left-hand column. When this page opens, scroll to the bottom to see your footer. It has a light gray background and copyrighted text from the Blocksy team developers. To start making changes, select the footer menu on the left. The global footer customization page will open. At the top, it says Customizing Global Footer, meaning that whatever change you make here will be displayed on all website pages. The global footer column is divided into two sections, Elements and Footers. Within Elements, there are different footer widgets that can be added by clicking, dragging, and releasing to the desired position inside the footer area. If you want to delete it, click this little X sign on the right. When you select the Footers tab, the global footer menu appears. By clicking on it, you can make global changes to your website's footer. While I'm here, I will change the container structure from default to boxed, which will be automatically visible on the right. I will also change the container background color from light gray to black. You can click these little icons whenever you make a change to see how it will look on a PC, tablet or mobile phone. It is also very important to click the red Publish button whenever you make changes within a section to save your changes. I will return to the Elements section and add elements to my footer. The first one, by default, within my footer's bottom row is the Copyright widget. I will add the Socials widget to my top row and the Menu widget to my middle row. Whatever you add will become visible within your footer so you can see exactly how it will look on your website. If you click on any widget, for example Socials, its corresponding settings section will appear, allowing you to make changes only to this footer section. For example, if you want to add the YouTube icon, you will click this drop-down menu, select YouTube, and click this plus sign to add it to your social icons. As you can see, to configure your social links, you will need to go to General and Social Network Accounts. Next, I will select the links to be opened in a new tab and change the icon sizes to be a little bit bigger and the icon spacing to be bigger too. If you scroll down, you will find additional options for this widget, but I will leave the rest as they are and click on Publish to save these changes. I also want to change the background color in my top row from light gray to black. To do that, I will hover over it, click on Top Row, and then select the Design tab. In the row background, I will change the color from light gray to black and click on Publish to save this change. Now let's move to the menu widget to make changes. I will click on it, and where it says Select Menu, I will change from header to footer. Right now the font color is dark gray, and I need to change it to white as the background will be black. I will select the Design tab and change the color from dark gray to white and save the changes. As the font color is now white, I need to change the background color of the middle row. To do that, I will hover over it, click on it, select the Design tab and change the color from light gray to black and click on Publish to save changes. The last part of the footer puzzle is to change the copyright widget text and the color of the bottom row. If I go back to the Settings menu and click on Copyright widget, the first thing is to change this WordPress theme by Creative Themes text to alekonline.com. Next, I want to change the font color from gray to white. To change the color background of the bottom row, I will hover over it, click on Bottom Row, select the Design tab, and click this light gray circle and change it to black. After that, I will click on Publish button to save the changes. If I scroll down, all the changes have been made as I wanted. If I go back to the dashboard and click on Visit Site, scroll down, I see my new black footer with social icons, footer menu pages, and changed copyright text. And that would be all for this tutorial. Now you know how to change your footer, and you also learn how to create a footer menu, how to add pages to the menu, how to add widgets to the footer, how to customize each added widget, and how to customize footer rows. I did my best to make this tutorial beginner-friendly and easy to understand. Please let me know if I succeeded by liking it or subscribing to my channel. This will also make it easier for others who want to learn how to create and customize their footer in WordPress to find this video and this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. As always, there are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.